Before you begin your online tutoring session with an Asnuntuk tutor, it is a good idea to download Microsoft Teams onto your computer or other device. Microsoft Teams is the platform we use to hold real-time video tutoring sessions with Asnuntuk students. The following video was produced by our colleagues at Tunxis Community College. It will provide you details and demonstrations for installing Microsoft Teams on your computer. While you may be able to access Teams in the online version, the functionality is much better in the downloaded version of Teams. So we encourage you to download that app onto your computer or other device ahead of your tutoring session.
In my web browser, I'm going to teams.microsoft.com. Here I'm logging in with my NetID, which is the same account you use for my ComNet and Blackboard and school computers. And this would work for staff accounts and for students. Teams has a pretty good web app, so you could use it right in the browser. But for advanced features like screen sharing, I want to install the desktop app. So to do that, I click on my profile picture up here, go to download the desktop app, save the file. Your downloads might show up at the bottom if you're using a different browser. In Firefox, it's up here. Once it's downloaded, I double-click on the download to open the file, and the installer will run. And in the app, you'll sign in again using your NetID. So now I have Teams running as an app on my computer. I don't need the web app open anymore.
We hope these instructions have been useful. If you need help installing Teams, you can make an appointment with Asnuntuk tutors for help by calling us or emailing us using the information listed here. A link is provided in the description box below where you can make your appointment with an Asnuntuk tutor. We look forward to working with you soon.